I'm Devra Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to season cabbage soup. Cabbage soup is something that's made all over the world and it's seasoned many different ways in many different places. But I'm going to make an Eastern European cabbage soup because I think of cabbage soup as a really tasty, economical way to make it through those long, cold Eastern European winters. So I've started boiling some stock and I put some chopped cabbage in it, some carrots, some parsnips, some potato, some onion, some garlic. And I'm going to start, of course, first of all, with some salt. I'm going to use some black pepper. I'm going to use dill. Has a nice Eastern European feel to it. Some caraway seeds, which are the seeds that you see on top of rye bread. And then I also like to put a little bit of prepared mustard in my cabbage soup. It goes really nicely with the dill and really nicely with the caraway as well. And that is how you season cabbage soup.